What is Odata? Yeah, South Indian is recording no problem. So OData means Open Data Protocol. Open Data Protocol. Okay. Open Data Protocol. So in this Open Data Protocol, so it's a gateway service. So it is used to transfer the data from front-end system to transfer the back-end system. Okay, vice versa. So like with the help of API, with the help of API, what is API? What is API? Yeah, I think most of the guys are using Android mobiles and all those things. I think all the guys knows about the API. Anyway, I will tell you. So application programming interface. Application programming interface. Clear. So the OData service it's a converts the data in JSON format or XML format. Okay, clear. So previously we have seen some web services. Okay, and one more thing like ALE IDOCs, ALE IDOCs, and BAP is business application programming interfaces. Now next we are going to use proxies. So previously we are using this types of scenario. So now we are going to use like Fury. What is Fury? The application system, front end application system. I will tell you no worry about it. Application system. So the OData service are APIs which will be used in the communicating with the front-end system or third-party application system. Clear? So the OData services will convert data into JSON format or XML format. Okay. The OData will be converting the JSON format or XML format. I will show you how to convert and all those things. So that is the added advantages in OData. So this is the advantages. Sorry, I'm getting some noise. The advantage APIs to existing APIs where we using the third party can converting the data without SAP knowledge and or back SAP knowledge or background any SAP background. So if you maintain the some system alias the T code was code SRO. So I will show you one architecture. Architecture of data. So lecture first we are going to take one system maybe how next organic is new to my yeah yeah then it's fine okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. So, the architecture of Odata. So, I'm going to take SAP ECC system. Then, next, I'm going to take Odata services. This is Odata services like this. Odata is a gateway. Okay, this is Odata. Now, next, I'm going to take UI file. Why I will tell you this is UI file, UI file, and so as well as I'm going to take third-party systems like mobile applications and laptops and PCs, okay, and some third-party systems. Clear? So like I laptops and PCs. This is like third-party. Clear? Now, if I want to communicate the raw data through SAP ECC system, so if I want to communicate SAP to raw data, just with the help of ABAP, with the help of ABAP, if you want to communicate the SAP to ECC, SAP ECC to raw data services through ABAP. Clear? The raw data will convert XML to JSON format. XML to JSON format. So like this, okay. And these UI file will send JSON format. Okay, anyway, I will tell you clear cut information. You like JSON, this is for XML. It's a central hub. It's a central hub. Okay. Center hub. So that UI file will communicate to mobile and to laptops, to PCs, to third-party systems. So I will show you one more thing. So we have another systems like SAP CRM and SAP BW. Yeah, okay. This is our SAP CRM, CRM. SAP BW. Clear. So if you can communicate like this and say connecting with our systems. Clear. So if you want to connecting with alias names only, so connecting with the alias names only, connecting with the alias names. So do not connect direct names. We have to connecting with the alias names. The main point. So see, so the SAP ECC data, it will convert in XML to JSON format with the help of OData services. Why? Because our front-end system unable to access, unable to understand our ABAP code. That's why the OData, it will be converting XML to JSON. The JSON format UI peoples can easily understand, then easily develop. Okay, so as well as the UI peoples are sending some XML JSON files to our data. That our data will convert our ABAP language. Okay, I will show you real-time scenario. By the end of the session, I will show you some coding also. Clear. Now, so when like this application system, the data will hack is not secured here. We access some all T codes and application servers when we are going to use inside of our data services. I will show you one more diagram. Just okay, then it's fine. I'm going to save img two 3 years is there, 5 already is there, 6 7 7 nice. I'm going to take one more scenario. For an example, this is our S4 system. This is our S4 system. In this S4 backend, backend some database. So when we are going to take S4 system, inbuilt O data are available. O data are available. Okay. So and as well as Fury also available front end. Okay. So when we are going to use these types of scenario, the application system data will be hacked. So and not secured here also. We access all the T codes. We access all the T codes of application system. That's why we are going to one more scenario. One more scenario. So I am taking separate S4 system. Okay, and I am taking separate OData system. Okay, now next I am going to take one more separate system like a Fury. Okay, so thing is, so this is S4 system. This is like OData. This is like a Fury. So if I want to communicate to S4 to OData and OData to Fury, so when like this, data will be secured when the third party access S4 system only by using trusted RFC connections. And here we can't we access all the T codes one project to another project. Now next I'm going to show you. So one of the most important one project means the one project treated as a one application or interface. Clear? So now next I'm going to tell you one of the most important scenarios. So that is card queue operations. So what is card queue operations? CRUDQ, card queue operations. How many people knows about card queue operations? Could you please confirm through chat box? What is card queue operations? What is C? I am expecting some answers, guys. Could you please reply back to the chat box? What is card queue operations? Yeah, nice. Create. What about remaining? Read. Okay, nice. Update. Okay, so then, yeah, thank you. And what about remaining? Delete. What is queue? What is queue? Nice query. So, okay, I will tell you. So, C means create data. Created data. Okay. Now, R means read data. Here, read only single data. Here, read only single data. Read data. So, because we are going to fetch only single data one by one. So, here, read only single data. Now, next, I'm going to take U. What is U? Update data. Update data means delete delete data. So be careful with the delete. Okay. Now next query. So it's a query data. Okay. Query data. What is query data? So it is a nothing but reading data with multiple data. It's nothing but reading data will multiple data. Okay. So reading data, so read data will multiple data. So now next I'm going to tell you some of the most important T codes like BF01. So I will tell you some T codes. So, so the T codes like BF01. It's a billing document or invoice creation. Clear? And BF02. Why? Because so BF02 to change and display like BF03. So we are following this sequence. So now next BA05 is a sales order open reporting the for query operations. Okay. Now next I am going to show you some real time scenarios. Then this one. Steps to create a project. First step. Steps to create a project. Okay, then it's fine. So step The step one was SCGW. What is SCGW? Could you please confirm that anyone knows? SC. Okay, then what is SCGW? I'm getting some answer from your side. What is SCGW? Okay, then it's fine. SCGW means SAP Gateway. Yeah, of course, that is T code. Service builder. Okay, service builder. It's a T code. Fine, nice. It's a T code. Purpose of this SCGW, it's creating project. So that is the first step. So just I am going to open my system, desktop. Okay, password. So, so each project will have individual functionalities. So I will show you. Just wait few seconds. System will be open. Just I'm going to enter the thing, password. Okay, nice. Now I'm going to enter T code. What is T code? SCGW. Here. Now I'm going to create project. Click on create project. Be careful with the create project. I am creating project. So specify your project name. Just I like Z demo underscore 6 a.m. batch. Okay, 6 a.m. Uh, okay, already we are creating some 6 a.m. batches. So one thing we'll do. Okay, username. This is demo underscore username. Okay, now click on local object, or you can provide your package. And before going to, we have to give it some description. Odata services. Okay, then enter. Then automatically our project has been created. Under project there are some folders that has been generated. Clear? So like data models and service implementation, runtime artifacts and service maintenance. When we are extract this data model or expand the data model, so in this data model we have three subfolders are available. One is entity type, one is association type. Now third one is entity sets. So what is entity type? Here we are going to create some entity types in which format to the data has to be transport the front end system to back end system vice versa. These will be same as work area. These will be same as work area. Clear? So now, so what is association? So association here, here we maintain the uh, some relationship between the any of the two entity types, any of the two entity types. Now, so now next we are going to discussing about entity sets. Means these will be creating default and existing sets are the subs should be the same properties of each types. So the entity sets will be same as internal table. Entity sets will be same as internal table. Now I'm going to show you steps to create entity types. Steps to create entity types. Just going to click this entity type and select this entity type and right click on your mouse, select create. So then they will ask some name. Provide entity type name. Okay. Custom they dot you as you wish. You can give your own. Now next, the one of the most important point, select create relational related entity set. Click on check button. Then automatically our entity set name has been generated. The cost underscore pay underscore dot set. Now when we are clicking the enter button, then automatically some of the subfolder has been generated. The cost date set. So in that particular subfolder, one more two subfolders are has been generated. One is the properties, another one is navigation properties, as well as our entity set also generated like a cost underscore pay underscore date set. So service maintenance, this is common. So now next see. So when we are selecting, we are enter the button, then automatically some curved queue operations also generated. Create, read, get entities, sets and updates. Clear? Now, see, now double click on the properties. I'm going to some properties. I'm going to some properties. Added list of fields which we required in the right side. In the right side. Now I'm going to take. So just click on insert rows. So like this is the plus button to add the fields. So and okay, then it's fine. Customer see. So when we are going to space showing error, see the invalid name. So that's why we have to give the underscore. Then it's fine. So I'm going to give the one key and you can select. You can select. So EDM. This is the string. You can select the EDM type. Now next, I'm going to the above field like Hana. Okay. Hana, KUNNR, then it's fine. So then automatically error will go on. Now next I'm going to take material number. Material material number. So same this is also string. Take string and this is like MATNR. MATNR. Now next I'm going to take material type. Material is also string. This is also string. Now, what is the abap field? Empty ART. Empty ART. Okay, nice. Now, next I'm going to take order quantities. Order quantities. Order quantities. QTO, then it's fine. Now, in this order quantities, it's a decimal number. It is a decimal numbers. So I'm going to take decimal. See the number values with fixed precision and scales. Okay, take decimal numbers. The decimal numbers, the precision like 15 and the scale 3. Okay, the field ZMENG. Okay, ZMENG. ZMENG. Now next I'm going to take order amount. Order amount. Okay, so this is also decimal. This is also decimal. So precision like 15, scale like 3. So NED WR, NED WR. Clear? NED WR. Now everything is fine. I'm going to take 5 fields. One is the customer number, material type, order quantity, and order amount with the help of our abap fields. Clear? Now next I'm going to save. Okay, I'm going to save successfully. Now check. See, project z demo underscore username has been checked. No errors were found. Now next click on generate. Click on generate. Okay, click on generate run object. This is the one of the most important. When we are clicking generate objects, so then automatically it will be run. So it will pop up some class names and base class names and generate class names like zcl underscore z demo underscore username dpc underscore exit. So we have generating 2 classes. So after clicking the generate, service will be generating with MPC. What is MPC? It's a model provide class as well as DPC. So DPC means data provided classes. Okay. Now click on continue. So then automatically asking the package. Now I will keep our local packages. So it will take 1 or 2 seconds time. Yeah, successfully generated. So the runtime object successfully generated. See, I will show you the runtime artifacts. See, successfully generated our runtime artifacts. Clear? Now, once the DPC and MPC classes has been generated, we are implement the logic third queue operation like service implementation. Now, under service implementation, one more sub folder like first pay and data sets. We have like third create, read, get entities and get entity sets and updates. Now, so within the field, each entity set will have individual third queue operation. Now next we are going to show you steps to implement the code in query operation. Okay, just I'm going to select get entity sets. See, select get entity set and right click and go to ABAP workbench. So operating cost underscore pay dead sets get entity sets has not yet been implemented. Yes, of course, I'm not yet be implemented. So now it will navigate into the DPC entity set class. It will be navigating DPC set entity class. Okay, like this. Our DPC entity set like ZCL underscore ZDemo underscore username underscore DPC exit. Clear? Select end methods folder and expand it. Some inherited methods are available. Expanded it. Now our intention. So will we find the methods? So now I am going to take cost underscore pay underscore date set get entity set. So I'm going to select this thing. Why? Because see the relational entity set name like a cost pay date set to I am fetching some data through our database. Just I am going to double click. So then automatically it will be open our source code. Our source code. So in this source code, okay, clear. I'm going to change mode. Yes, nice. Okay, this is for predefined code. Now I'm going to change our own code. So I commented. Now next I'm going to write some code, some snippet of code. Clear? So this methods like first underscore pay underscore dataset underscore get entity set. Clear? Now my intention, whatever we are given the fields, we are calling that particular fields into our method. Select. I'm going to take Kunar DBAK. So now I'm going to take. Actually, we are using a new syntaxes. DBAP MATNR MATNR. Now next Mara MTART. Now next BBAP score ZMENG. Yeah. And BBAP NEGWR. BBAP NEGWR. From BBAK as BBAK. I'm giving the same name. So inner join. So the inner join BBAP as BBAP on the BBAK BBLN equal to the BBAP BBLN here. And one more inner join Mara as Mara on BBAP MATNR equal to Mara MATNR. So going that I have given some wrong. Okay, then it's fine, nice. So into the table at the rate ed entity is set up to 10 rows. So save, check, no problem. Deactivate, save, check, and activate. Clear. Now, okay, then it is fine. Now, the steps to activate services in the gateway services. Okay. Now, next I am going to show you one more T code. So after activated, you can go to one more T code /n. Okay. This is the one of the most important T code IWFND MAINT service. Copy. So when we are executing this service, I will give the T code name. Yeah, this is the context in here. T code, another most T code. Clear? Is it visible? This T code? It's creating gateway services. The T code. The steps to activate services, gateway services. Just I'm going to log in this gateway services. It's not embedded gateway services. It's supported. So now next, click on add service button. Click on add service button. Now click on add service button. Okay. Now the generating gateway services at the backend. The specify your backend system alias name. Okay. So my system alias names like a local because we are going to use local system. Our technical service name. So the entity sets the every backend system will have and some alias and this alias has been be configured with backend systems. Clear. So if you don't have the separate gateway services IDs, so you can central hub like a front end, the back end systems or in same system, the alias name like system alias name like local. Okay. Now next, specify technical server name. Specify technical server name like a back end. So I will show you the server name. Just I am going to back. I am going to back. Oh, CGW. CGW. There is the one. Yeah. So expand it. Yeah. This is our server technical name. JDemo username underscore SRV. Okay. Now I am going to decode JDemo username SRV. Then add services. Local. Now JDemo. What is username SRV? Username SRV. Clear. Then click on enter. So then automatically the technical server name has been created, has there. So already we have created some technical server. So the server description, OData service, whatever we are given the description automatically populated our server description, and external server name like the demo username SRV. Okay, everything is fine. Now next select the services. Click on add selected services. Make at least one entity. Now next I'm going to select this thing and add select services. So then automatically one pop-up it will be generated. So just now I'm going to assign the package and click on enter. Now my intention, I'm going to give the some local object. Need not to worry about package. Then click on enter. So see, the service jet demo underscore username under service has been created and it will be metadata will be loaded successfully. Click on enter. So then automatically it's gone. It will be added our selected services. Okay, and I will show you small diagram. I will show you small diagram regarding this thing. So this is for our project. This is for our project. This is for our project. This is project. Our project like our ECC system. Our SAP ECC clear. So now we are going to create one T code like SCGW. Now it's the service generated. Service generated. Okay. So when we are going to enter the SCGW, we are creating one project, then automatically one services has been generated. Now next we are going to SAP gateway. So SAP gateway. This is our SAP gateway. Gateway. In this SAP gateway, we are going to use one more T code NIWFIND maintain services. Maintain services. So we are assigning some alias name this particular gateway services. So clear. Our we can use any other system like SAP CRM or any ERP CRM. SAP CRM. Right now we are using SAP ECC. Okay. So like with the help of alias name ERP CRM like this. So now entire clear. Now we are going to show you steps to execute the services. Then we are going to T code IWFND under slash the main service. Click on enter. Then you can search. Service name. You can search service name. Enter demo underscore username. Yeah, we'll see. Demo underscore username underscore services are available in our service catalog. Okay. Now you can see. So click on SAP gateway So just I'm going to select this thing. You can double click, see. So you can select now. Now click on SAP Gateway Client in bottom level. At bottom level, yeah. Click on SAP Gateway Client. So click on Allow. Then automatically again click on Allow. Then automatically it will be the SAP Gateway Client. Okay. Now click on Entity Sets. Click on Select Entity Set. Now whatever we are given, the entity set name automatically populated. Just I am selected this particular entity set. Click on Allow. Yeah, click on Allow. Now entity set has been populated. Now get, click on Execute. Click on, I'm selecting. See, before going to, we can take some HTTP methods like get, post, put, patch, and mm, merge and delete and head. Now I am going to select a get method. So hello, hello, again hello, yeah, okay. Then automatically we are executed. Then it will be generating, see, some XML file. The header name like value, status code is 200, successfully generated, status reason, okay. It's clear. Successfully created. So here you can see some methods are available like get, it's retrieving, and post and creating. So when we are going to click the post, so in this SAP Gateway client, we have like different types of HTTP methods. The get, the get main intention, when we select the radio button, this will be generating the query. The backend returns one or more reports, then executing the recording, operating in the HTTP response the areas when we won't update. Now see, so when we are clicking the post, then automatically I'm going to execute, showing, yeah, it's showing some prompting errors. See, the status of code is 400. Why? Because this operating method will be triggering to the create methods, which will be the using to the entities to the backend system. The process will be the uh, vice versa request. Clear? So whatever we are writing the code, that is related to the get methods. Okay. Now put this, in this put, this operating will find the updating methods, which will be updating the data in the backend system by using key fields. The key conditions will be happen the HTTP request. Submit the HTTP request. Now next we are going to show the patch. What is the patch purpose? So you can see the patch purpose, the operation will be the five update methods will be using the update requesting the fields the based on the specific key condition. Now next, merge. What is merge? The these will be the update methods, which will be the updating the data into the existing data or existed data, like delete. One of the most dangerous radio button, delete. So it will be the deleting the data, also deleting from the backend data also. So we can create entity set by using functionality models. So you can use so we can create entity sets by using functionality models, CDS views and PDC also. Okay. So now my intention, I'm going to take get method and execute again. So I will show you clear cut information. Load, see, the status code is generated. So I will show it. So